My GE dishwasher was dying 20 minutes into every cycle, every single time. I thought it was done for, broken, finished. But what I found shocked me, and fixing it took just one tool you already have at home. It would start just fine, soap would go in, water would run, and then boom, silence, dead, no lights, no draining, nothing. I checked inside, no food, no debris, no obvious clogs, just frustration. I was about to call a repairman, but I decided to try one more thing. I removed the drain line and I ran a hand snake through it, just like you would clean a clock sink. Guess what? The dishwasher came back to life like nothing ever happened. No big clog, just a little grim, but that little grim was shutting it all down. I didn't have to go far in. No shut off, no error, just clean dishes. Sometimes the smallest things cause the biggest problem. This tiny blockage was enough to shut down a $700 machine. And the fix, a $10 hand snake and 15 minutes of effort, you don't need to be a plumber. You just need not to give up. Fix it yourself, save money, and never let small problem turn into a big disaster. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.